friends, I am Naveen. In my previous video, I am giving to you the basic concept of secant and tangent of a circle. And now in this video, I would like to discussing the example problem on that circle. See what is being on this board. First of all, we observe the question carefully. What is question? Prove that in two concentric circles, the chord of the larger circles which touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. While we have to reading this question, we have to observe three concepts. First of all, what is concentric circles? This is the first question. And the chord of the larger circles and smaller circles. What these two terms suggest? We have to know first of all these two main concepts in this question. If we understand well about these two conditions, we have to make easily and simply to solve this problem. First of all, what is the term suggest concentric circles? What is mean? It is concentric circles nothing but a fixed point, at the center of circle. For example, there are two circles. Thus two circles have only one center of the circle. I will revise once again. What is means concentric circles nothing but the circles which have same center of the circle, then it is called as concentric circles. For example, this is a point at center of the circle. This is center of the circle. And this is one circle. And this is another circle. In these two circles, we determine actually this is the largest circle compared to this circle. This is smaller and this is larger circle. First of all, in two concentric circles, the chord of the larger circles which touches the smaller circles. So the chord of the larger circle, this is the larger circle, right? So the chord of the larger circle touches the smaller circle. This is at point A and this is at point B. Clearly observe once again. This is a larger circle and this is a smaller circle. In this question, the chord of the larger circles which touches the smaller circle. The chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. And we know that here the radius is angle 90 degrees. This radius which at center of the circles to the tangent makes an angle 90 degrees, and this is the midpoint M. This is at point A and point B. Here from center of the circle to point A is the radius of larger circle O, and O to B is a larger circle radius of another. This is one of the larger circle radius and this is another one larger circle of the radius. It is denoted as capital R. This is also denoted as capital R. In this circle, in this concentric circle, we observe that triangle OAM, triangle OMA and triangle OMB, triangle OMB and OA equals to OB, and here OM equals to OM. We have already known in previous video. I will tell you that OM equals to OM means common side of the circle. And we know that by RHS of congruence rule, by RHS right hand side of congruence rule, why this I am using this congruence rule means, what is right hand side of congruence means, here this is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent side and this is opposite side. Here also this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent and this is opposite side. That's why I am using right hand side of congruence rule. By this right hand side of congruence rule, triangle OMA equals to congruence to triangle OMB, and this results gives MA equals to MB. Here observe that actually by this question what we have to find, see clearly the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle, okay, is bisected at the point of contact. This is the point of contact. Is bisected at the point of contact M. So we have to find AM equals to BM. We have to find AM equals to BM. So AM equals to BM. AM equals to BM. This is the required solution to this problem. Again I explain once again also. We have to prove in concentric circles. Concentric circles means a circles which have only one center of the circle is called concentric circles. So the chord of the larger circles touches the smaller circle. This is a larger circle compared to this circle and is bisected at the point of contact M. So we have to prove that AM equals to BM. So this is the proof.